So here we are, our Goodwin Champions Bonus thing. You know what, I've got another bonus thing too, which I didn't open from Season 1 Mandalorian. This is what they threw in as a bonus. Still haven't opened it. Probably haven't opened it because I've got a few of them. And they're still all not opened. So let's have a look, see what's in here. I don't even know what could possibly be lurking in this that could be worth anyone's time and effort of opening it. But let's see. I'll just open it nicely. Slide it out. Whoa, 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 whoa. So we have got a mini in here. We've got media personality, a TV personality, never even heard of these people, a miniature, oh look at that, Robin Bone pole vaulter. Oh sorry, you can't see it because it's all, there we go, I'll bring it up for you. Pole vaulter mini. Ooh. A spear card that you throw across the room. Timothy Wee. And Jin Yu Frey. There we are. As MMA. Lovely. I have no idea if anything in here is. Oops, I can't even see them. Anything in here is anything. Actually, no idea. Pretty sure these are basically what you'd want to put through the shredder. And this mini, no clue. This is actually pretty cool though. This blank, because I know you could probably get a decent artist to actually draw on that, and then you could put it into a one touch and display a fantastic picture of something that you like. So that's that may be the most valuable thing out of this packet. Excellent. Thank you very much.